Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix any issue with your Soundcore Life P2. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issue and also synchronize issue. So take a look. As you can see, the right earbud is connected with my phone and the left is still blinking. It looks like it's in the pairing mode. So right now when I try to listen this YouTube ad, I can hear clearly sound in the right, but in the left there is no any sound. And to fix that problem, I can recommend you to put both earbuds to this charging case and then click and hold these two buttons together at the same time until this indicator blinks 3 times red. Let's do this right now. Right now we can release that buttons. Next, I can recommend you to go back to the Bluetooth settings and unpair your previously connected buds. Next, just take them out of this case. And now just wait until one of it starts blinking quickly. Just like that, this one. It means that right now they are in the pairing mode. So go for pair new device on your phone and select Soundcore Life P2. Accept the pairing request. And it looks like we are connected back. Let's try if this sound works right now for the both earbuds. Yeah, right now I can clearly hear the sound. I can also show you, so I'm gonna put the close to the microphone. So as you can hear in both earbuds, we can hear the sound. And that's the issue. That's the solve for your issue with the synchronize of the earbuds or simply connection issue when you cannot pair them. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.